Welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. In this video, I'm going to give you two more questions on one-dimensional heat equation as a practice. But the regular topic was already uploaded in the YouTube, right? So before this video, you can watch it over that. First, you watch it, all the introduction part, everything is there. Here, I'm just going to practice two questions, right? Solve dou square u by dou x square minus 2 times dou u by dou t equal to 0. So this is a one-dimensional heat equation. How? One is the second order derivative and the first order derivative. Keep in your mind. So given is dou square u by dou x square equals minus 2 times dou u by dou t equal to 0. So this equals what? Dou square u by dou x square is equal to 2 times dou u by dou t. I told you already the coefficient of dou u by dou t is considered as A. So what is your A? A is equal to what? 2, right? So this is given, right? Now given u of 0 comma t equal to 0, this is called boundary conditions. Why boundary? X comma t, so x is 0. And u of 4 comma t equal to 0, this is a boundary condition. Why this is boundary? Because x is equal to 4 and t is equal to t. And u of x comma 0, this is called initial condition. Why? Because t is equal to 0. Assume h is equal to 1. So h is also given. Find the values of u up to t is equal to 5 seconds. Right? Yes. I told you already x values depends on h. Right? T values depends on what? K. Right? So what is the starting value of x? X is given as what? 0 and ending value is what? 4. So x starting value is 0 and ending value is 4. H depends on h. What is the h value? H is what? Sorry, x depends on h. What is the h value? 1. So you're going to add plus 1, you're going to add plus 1, you're going to add plus 1. So 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Clear everybody? And we need to find k. What is the formula I gave you for k? K is equal to a h square divided by 2. A value is already given in the question, which is 2, and h is already given in the question, which is 1, and then divided by 2, which is equal to what? K is equal to 1, right? K is equal to what? 1 is your value. It means what? You're jumping plus 1, keep in your mind. T always starts from 0, keep in your mind. They said 5 steps, they said, right? T is equal to what? Up to 5 steps. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are going to write it. Now we go to the table. Table is ready. So this is x value, this is t value, this is the direction is I, and this direction is j, right? Now what are the values you're going to put it? You're going to put it what? X equals 0, 1, 2, 3 and then 4, right? X starts from 0 to 4. And what is the t value? T value starts from what? 0 to 5. So t value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, right? Now we have to talk about the initial conditions and boundary conditions. What is the boundary conditions? U of 0 comma t is 0 and u of 4 comma t is equal to 0. So this is x is equal to 0, u is equal to 0. This is x is equal to 4, u is equal to 0. How x is equal to 4 is 0? Because this is the differential equation in dou square u by dou x square is equal to what? Dou u by dou t. So the solution will be in terms of what? U of x comma t. The first one is an x, second one is a t. Keep in your mind, right? So x is equal to 0. Where is x equal to 0? The first column. So the temperature is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, right? This finished. Now u of 4 comma t. Where is x is equal to 4? Here is x is equal to 4. So all the temperature values are what? 0, right? Next condition is what? Initial condition. What is initial condition? Dou u by dou t, or you can say u of x comma 0. Sorry, not dou u by dou t, that is initial velocity. But here the temperature with initial condition, right? So the condition is u of x comma 0 is equal to x into 4 minus x. It means at t equal to 0. So this is the row, t is equal to 0. So t is equal to 0. The function is what? X into 4 minus x. 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 So now you are going to put x is equal to what? 0 and x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4, right? If I put like this, you will get x is equal to 0, it is 0. X is equal to 4, this is 0. 1, if I put 1, 4 minus 1, which is going to become 3. 2, 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2 into 2, 4. 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, so 0. Now the remaining values, you are going to use what? Bender-Schmidt formula. So what is Bender-Schmidt formula? In the exam, you have to write this formula. Keep in your mind. Bender-Schmidt formula is given by ui comma j plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 bracket open. Two values which is on the left and the right. What is on the left? ui minus 1 comma j. What is on the right? ui plus 1 comma j. Right? But one step above because j plus 1 is on the up. Right? So in this way, if I want to fill up this one, add this one and this one divided by 2. 0 plus 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. Divided by what? 2. Keep in your mind. And take this value and this value. 4 plus 3 is 3 plus 3 is what? 6. 6 divided by 2 is what? 3. Take this value 4 and 0. Divide by 2 is what? 2. Right? To fill up this, take this value and take this value. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 divided by 2 is what? 1.5. Take this value, take this value, take this value, take this value. Once you have taken, divide by 2. So 0, 1.5, which is going, this is 2. 3 plus 0, it's 2, this is 1.5. Next, take this value and take this value, which is going to become 1. Take this value and this value, 1.5. 1.5 is 3. 3 divided by 2 is what? 2 is what? 1.5. Take this value 2 and take this value 0, but then divide by 2 is going to become what? 1. So t is equal to 4, which is, this is 0 and then 1.5, which is going to become what? 0.75. 1 and then 1, which is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. 1.5 and then 0, which is going to become what? 0.75. I need this value. 0 plus 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. 0.75, 0.75. So divide by 2 is 0.75. 1, 0, which is going to become 0.5. Clear everybody? So in this way, you are going to fill up. So all the values, this is the final values. You are going to get the temperature values. Keep in your mind. Okay. Right. Let's go to the next question. Solve ut equals uxx. It means what? Which is given as dou u by dou t is equal to what? Dou square u by dou x square is given. I told you the coefficient of dou u by dou t is taken as a. So a is equal to what? 1. Okay. Suppose, let me tell you one thing. Listen carefully. Suppose I give you dou u by dou t is equal to dou square u by dou x square. 2 times I have given. For example, remember, coefficient of dou u by dou t, you have to take it. At the same time, coefficient of dou square u by dou x square is equal to what? 1. Keep in your mind. You have to take a value is coefficient of dou u by dou t. At the same time, coefficient of dou square u by dou x square must be what? 1. So keep in your mind this point. Yes, it is 1. You want to make this as 1. So what you will do? You divide by 2, you divide by 2. So 1 by 2 dou u by dou t is equal to what? Dou square u by dou x square. So what is the value of a? A is 1 by 2. Clear everybody? Right. This is for an example. Just for an example I gave you. If the situation is like this. Okay. Right. So a is equal to 1. Now these are the boundary conditions. Why this is boundary condition? X is equal to 0. BC means boundary. X is equal to 1. This is the boundary condition. And this is the initial condition IC. U of x comma 0 is sin pi x. Keep in your mind sin pi x. So use your calculator radian mode. Right. And x value is very clearly given 0 to 1. Right. Is there any h value given? No. Is there any t value given? No. So nothing is given. So let's see how the problem is going to start. Yes. H value is not given. So you have to assume your h value on your own. For example, a is equal to what? 1, right? Suppose, for example, its x value start from what? A 0 to 1, right? 0 less than x less than 1. So it means x value is starting is 0 and ending is 1. If you take 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, you will get more values. If you take 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, you will get 5 values, right? If you get 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, you will get 4 values, right? So which one you will prefer? I know you will prefer only 4 values. Okay, teacher, if I choose 0.3, if you choose 0.3, it is not possible to reach 1. How, teacher? I choose 0.3, 0.3, 0.3 and then 0.1. No. H must be equal, right? So I prefer 0.2 but you prefer 0.25, I know. So let me take the h value is 0.25. So the value is x value is what? Jumping from 0. So because I said already x value depends on h, right? 0, 0.25, 0.5 and then 1 I'm reaching. But your t value starts from 0, I said. T is not given. How many values I should go, teacher? Look, your k value is what? A h square divided by 2. I told you t value depends on k. So what is your A? A is 1 and h is 0.25 the whole square divided by 2. If I take like this, what is the answer? 0.25 the whole square. Let me work out this. 1 minute. So it is bracket open 0.25 bracket close square divided by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 32, which is equal to 0.03. Let me fix 2 decimals. Shift mode 6 radian 2 decimal. I will get 0.03. Okay, I get 0.03 or 125. You can take it, no problem. Shift mode, if I give 4 decimals, what is the answer? So which is 0.0313 I'm getting. Okay, 4 decimals, 0.0313 I'm getting. 0.0313 I'm getting in the calculator. Okay, right. Now k value, it's this one. T always starts from 0, I said. How many values I have to go? In the class I told you at least you go for 4 values, I said. That is easy for you, right? So we can keep as a standard one, just go 4 values. Look here, because you take 0.25, k value is coming like this. So you're going to jump plus 0.0313 and you're going to jump plus 0.0313, which is not a good one, right? Yes. Suppose you choose h is 0.2 for example. So k value will be what? A 0.2 the whole square divided by 2, which is k is equal to what? 0.2 the whole square. So bracket open 0.2 the whole square, right, divided by 2, which is equal to 0.02. You'll be getting 0.02. So jumping is so easy. It will be 0, 0.02, 0.04, 0.06 like this. So the choice is yours. You can choose h is equal to 0.25 and k is equal to this, no problem. Or you can choose h is equal to 0.2 and k is equal to, you can choose this value, no problem. It's up to you. So what you're going to do? You're going to choose with this. Okay, right. Let me choose with this value 0.0313. Let me find out again this value. 0.25 whole square divided by 2, which is equal to 0.0313. Yes, 0.0313. Right, let me choose the values. I'm going to add all these things, which is 0.0313 plus again add it 0.0626, again added 0.0939, again added 0.1252, right? In this way t value starts. Let's fill up all these things in the table. X value, t value 0, 0.25, 0.5 and 0.75 and 1. And t value, which is 0, 0.0313, 0.0626, 0.0939. Okay, I said 4 values. Let me write one more values also. Okay, that will be better. The table looks nice and you will get more values, which is nearer to 0 you'll get. Right, and then you will get 0.1252, right? Use your calculator in radian mode because we have sine pi x is there, keep in your mind. Let's go for the boundary conditions. The boundary conditions are u of 0 comma t and u of 1 comma t is equal to 0. So u of 0 comma t is equal to 0 and u of 1 comma t is equal to 0. It means what? X is equal to 0, right? Your temperature is u is 0. X is equal to 1, your temperature is 0. X is equal to 0 is the first column, 0, 0, 0, right? And x is equal to 1 is the last column, you're getting 0. And the first row you need to fill up, which is the initial condition. U of x comma 0 is equal to sine pi x, right? Which is equal to sine pi x. So this is sine pi x, be careful, sine pi x. So this will be sine pi x. This will be sine pi x. Come on, take your calculator and type sine pi x. Sine pi x, and this will be sine pi x. Put x is equal to 0.25, x is equal to 0.5, x is equal to 0.75, x is equal to 1. So it will be 0.7071 and it's 1, and then it is 0.7071. 0.7071. 0.7071. Right. Now to get this value, you're going to add this one and this one, divide by 2. This one and this one, divide by 2. This one and this one, divide by 2. This one and this one, take it and divide by 2. So for this one, like this, we are going to fill up, right? So which will be 0, 1 is 0.5. This one 2 times, adding 0.7071 one time. And this is 0.5, 1 plus 0. So like this, you're going to fill up the table, okay? Right. So for the next one, you will get 0.7071 divide by 2. 0.3536, 0.5 and 0.3536. So it will be 0.25 because this one and this one divide by 2. And this is 0.3536 and 0.25. Right. And then next this one and this one divide by 2. Right. So if you divide by 2, I'll get 0.1768. And this one and this one divide by 2, which is 0.25. This one and this one divide by 2, 0.1768. So in this way, the table is completed, right? I hope you like this video, right? If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe with your friends. See you in the next video, which is one-dimensional heat equation by Crank-Nicolson method. Before it, this is what? Bender-Schmidt method. Okay. Until then, it's bye from Zahir. Bye-bye.